In this video, I'll show you to turn off automatic call recording on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If your device records every call automatically and you no longer want that feature enabled, follow these simple steps to disable it in just a few moments. Opening the phone applications. You can do this by tapping the green phone icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. This is the app you normally use to make and receive phone calls. Once you're inside the phone app, tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen. A small menu will appear. From the available options, tap Settings to access the phone's call-related settings. Scroll through the settings until you see Record Calls or Call Recording. The exact name may vary slightly depending on your Samsung model and One UI version, but it will usually be listed with the other call settings. Tap on it to open the call recording options. Inside the call recording menu, you'll find the Auto Record Calls toggle. If it's currently enabled, simply tap the switch to turn it off. Once disabled, the toggle will appear gray, indicating that automatic call recording is no longer active. You can still manually record calls if your device and region support that feature. That's all there is to it. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Android guides.